Welcome to Infotech 11, your ultimate destination for the latest in technology, trends, and innovations. From in-depth reviews to breaking tech news, we've got it all covered. Join us as we explore gadgets, software, and the digital future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay updated with Infotech 11. Here's a detailed overview of key weapons systems used by the United States military, organized by category. 1. Air systems. Fighter jets. F-35 Lightning II. Multi-role stealth fighter with advanced avionics. Variants: F-35A, Air Force, F-35B, Marines, vertical landing, F-35C, Navy, carrier-based. F-22 Raptor. 5th generation stealth air superiority fighter. Focused on air dominance and advanced radar evasion. F-15X Eagle II. Advanced version of the F-15. Enhanced payload capacity and upgraded avionics. Bombers. B-2 Spirit. Stealth bomber capable of delivering nuclear and conventional payloads. Long range and radar evading design. B-21 Raider, upcoming. Next generation stealth bomber under development. Designed for global strike missions. B-52 Stratofortress. Long-range heavy bomber. Can carry conventional and nuclear weapons. Drones, unmanned aerial systems. MQ-9 Reaper. Armed drone used for surveillance and strike missions. Equipped with Hellfire missiles and precision-guided bombs. RQ-4 Global Hawk. High-altitude surveillance drone. Used for intelligence gathering over vast areas. 2. Naval systems. Aircraft carriers. Nimitz class. Nuclear-powered carriers. Deploy fighter jets, helicopters, and drones. Gerald R. Ford class. Advanced carriers with electromagnetic launch systems. Enhanced power generation and automation. Submarines. Ohio class, SSBNs. Ballistic missile submarines, nuclear deterrent. Carry Trident II D5 missiles. Virginia class, SSNs. Nuclear-powered attack submarines. Advanced sonar and stealth capabilities. Destroyers and frigates. Alibur class destroyers. Multi-mission warships with Aegis combat system. Equipped with Tomahawk cruise missiles and SM-3 interceptors. Constellation-class frigates, upcoming. Designed for anti-submarine warfare and escort missions. Amphibious assault ships. America class. Support Marine Corps operations. Can deploy F-35B fighters and landing craft. 3. Land systems. Main battle tanks. M1 Abrams. Heavily armored and powerful main battle tank. Equipped with advanced targeting systems and reactive armor. Artillery. M142 HIMARS, High Mobility Artillery Rocket System. Lightweight rocket launcher mounted on a truck. can fire GPS-guided rockets and ATACMS missiles. Armored vehicles. Bradley fighting vehicle. Infantry carrier with anti-tank capabilities. Used for reconnaissance and troop transport. Striker combat vehicle. Versatile armored vehicle. Configured for various missions, medical evacuation, reconnaissance, etc. Missile defense systems. Patriot missile system. Used for air and missile defense. Can intercept short and medium-range missiles. THAAD, terminal high-altitude area defense. Intercepts ballistic missiles during terminal phase. 4. Space systems. X-37B orbital test vehicle. Unmanned spaceplane for classified missions. GPS satellites. Provide navigation and timing for military operations. SPIRS, space-based infrared system. Detects missile launches and provides early warnings. 5. Cyber and electronic warfare. Cyber Command, UCybercom. Offensive and defensive cyber operations. Secures military networks against cyber threats. EC-130H Compass Call. Electronic warfare aircraft. Disrupts enemy communications and radar systems. 6. Missile systems. ICBMs, intercontinental ballistic missiles. Minuteman III, deployed in underground silos for nuclear deterrence. Tomahawk cruise missiles. Long-range precision strike missiles. Can be launched from ships and submarines. Javelin missiles. Portable anti-tank missile system. 7. Special weapons and programs. Directed energy weapons, laser systems. AN/SEC-3, laser weapon system, ship-mounted laser for anti-drone and small boat defense. Hypersonic weapons, in development. Capable of traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5. Designed for precision strikes against high-value targets. Let me know if you'd like to explore a specific category in more detail.